Good afternoon students. Today we are going to see about Standard 2 Term 1 Subject Maths. Unit 2 Numbers. In this class we are going to learn about subtraction and subtraction word problems. First one, find the answer for the subtraction facts given below. Find the answer for the subtraction facts given below. Subtraction facts, answer. Here numbers are given, so you do subtraction and write the answer to this box. First, 37 minus 30. First you do subtraction in ones place. 7 minus 0, 7. 3, next you do subtraction in tens place. 3 minus 3, 0. So answer 7. So here write 7. Next one, 46 minus 41. First you do subtraction in ones place. 6 minus 1 how much? 5. So here write 5. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 4 minus 4, 0. So answer 5. So here write 5. 46 minus 41 equal to 5. Next number, 68 minus 54. First you do subtraction in ones place. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 6 minus 5 how much? 1. So answer 14. 68 minus 54 equal to 14. Next 70 minus 70. First you do subtraction in ones place. 0 minus 0, 0. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 7 minus 7, 0. So answer 0. 70 minus 70 equal to 0. Next one, 57 minus 42. First you do subtraction in ones place. 7 minus 2, 5. So here write 5. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 5 minus 4, 1. So answer 15. So here write 15. 57 minus 42 equal to 15. Next one, 21 minus 0. First you do subtraction in ones place. 1 minus 0, 1. Here number not given, so here write 2. So answer 21. 21 minus 0 equal to 21. Next one, 39 minus 20. First you do subtraction in ones place. 9 minus 0, 9. Next you do subtraction in ones place. 3 minus 2, 1. So answer 19. 39 minus 20 equal to 19. Let us see about subtraction keywords. Take away, difference, remaining, balance, left. If you see these keywords in any word problems, what you do? You do subtraction. Let us see about subtraction word problems. First one, Ilakya made a bouquet with 29 flowers. As she was arranging the bouquet, 12 flowers fell off. How many flowers were left in the bouquet? Another time I read this. Ilakya made a bouquet with 29 flowers. As she was arranging the bouquet, 12 flowers fell off. How many flowers were left in the bouquet? Ilakya made a bouquet with 29 flowers. As she was arranging the bouquet, 12 flowers fell off. Here keywords given, left. Left means what you do? You do subtraction. 29 minus 12. First you do subtraction in ones place. 9 minus 2, 7. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 2 minus 1, 1. So answer 17. How many flowers were left in the bouquet? 17 flowers. Next question. There are 19 children in the park. Two of them went out of the park. How many children are inside the park? Another time I read this. There are 19 children in the park. Two of them went out of the park. How many children are inside the park? There are how many children in the park? 19 children. How many children went out of the park? 2 children. How do you find how many children are inside the park? You subtract 2 children from 19 children. 19 minus 2. First you do subtraction in ones place. 9 minus 2 how much? 7. Here number not given, so you write 1. So total 17 children. How many children are inside the park? 17 children. Next question. There were 33 birds in the garden. 11 flew away. How many birds were left in the garden? Another time I read this. There were 33 birds in the garden. 11 flew away. How many birds were left in the garden? There are how many birds in the garden? 33 birds. How many birds flew away? 11 birds. Here keywords given left. Left means what you do? You do subtraction. 33 minus 11. First you do subtraction in ones place. 3 minus 1, 2. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 3 minus 1, 2. So answer 22. How many birds were left in the garden? 22 birds. Next question. There are 64 goats in a farm. 11 of them were taken to another farm. How many goats are left? Another time I read this. There are 64 goats in a farm. 11 of them were taken to another farm. How many goats are left? How many goats in a farm? 64 goats. How many goats were taken to another farm? 11 goats. Here keyword given. Left means what you do? You do subtraction. 64 minus 11. First you do subtraction in ones place. 4 minus 1, 3. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 6 minus 1, 5. So answer 53. How many goats are left? 53 goats. Next question. There are 38 paint brushes in the box. 10 brushes are used. How many brushes are unused? Another time I read this. There are 38 paint brushes in the box. 10 brushes are used. How many brushes are unused? There are how many paint brushes in the box? 38 paint brushes. How many brushes are used? 10 brushes. Now, how do you find how many brushes are unused? You subtract 10 brushes from 38 brushes. 38 minus 10. First you do subtraction in ones place. 8 minus 0, 8. Next you do subtraction in tens place. 3 minus 1, 2. So answer 28. How many brushes are unused? 28 brushes. Thank you students.